What is going on YouTube? So I can see I'm back with another video with the car. I haven't been posted in a long while. Today I'm doing a POV drive. I take the car to Walmart to get some oil, to do an oil change. Not on this car, but on that car back there and another car. So yeah, I know I haven't seen the car in a long time. Pretty much all that I've done was front lip on the car. The car is still lowered, obviously, as I know. Got some tint on the side of the car. Car is lowered, as I know. I got wider tires on the back. Actually, no, these are stock size tires. The car before was wider tires. Yeah, these are 285 on the back still. Yeah, I got a lot more coming for this car, and we are going to do. Still have the downpipes right here, as I can see. Still have the downpipes. Still have the downpipes for the car. We'll be going on pretty soon. Got a mid pipe coming. It's supposed to be coming today, actually. Today's the day after Christmas, so hopefully you guys had a good Christmas. Yeah, man, I'm going to be posting a lot more now on the channel. A lot more POVs, a lot more things coming for the car now. Before I wasn't really motivated, to be completely honest, but now we're gonna be pumping out a lot more videos now, so you guys can look out for that. Like I said, you also have M logo in the garage now. These are some brakes right here. It's not for that car, it's for another car. time I take a corner, it's like I get impressed all over again of how good this car is able to take corners. But that was a Skyline just now. This is what I mean, y'all. So if y'all, this oil right here is 5W20. This is what I came here for. It's $27 here in Walmart. If I was to get the same exact oil in a parts store, whether it's AutoZone, Advance Auto, wherever, the same oil would be around $38. So you save $11 just by coming here to do an oil change. Two of these. Alright, so as I can see, you got the oil in the trunk. You gotta let me know if y'all like this new setup on the GoPro. Back up. Let me know how y'all like it. Nice Audi. I should have laid the oil flat in the trunk. I just heard it fall in the trunk. But yeah, like I was saying in
earlier part of the video and the intro, I am gonna get the downpipes. I already got the downpipes. I'm waiting for the mid pipes to come in. Should have came in the mail today. And then I'm gonna get both of those installed, and that's the next step for the car. And then obviously a tune. Brother right there got him a skateboard for his Christmas. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man. I got a lot more of these coming out soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Yeah.